Do you know what size shoe you wear?
They care for the state's foster children, feed the fish at state hatcheries,
789 Olympia,
and patrol state highways. There are tens of thousands of state employees, and they all have to prove they've been vaccinated if they want to keep their jobs.
We have essentially what is a new virus at our throats, a new virus that is twice as transmittable.
Governor Inslee announced the mandate for state and healthcare workers and later all K-12 employees back in August because of the Delta variant. Employees had more than 2 months to get vaccinated. According to the latest numbers, of the 60,000 plus state workers under the mandate, 92% had been verified as vaccinated as of October 4th. So the governor and state agency directors expect those numbers to climb. But hundreds, even thousands of state employees will lose their jobs, either because their exemptions were denied or the state couldn't reassign them to non-public positions.
I've been fired. I'm not quitting.
And there are employees like Correctional Sergeant Joe Stoddard.
From day one, correctional officers have been skeptical about the virus in itself being as dangerous as it's made out to be.
He worked at the Washington State Penitentiary for 5 years. Friday was his last day. The father of two got COVID and said it wasn't a big deal. And he watched inmates who he says struggled more from the vaccine side effects than COVID itself. While federal and state health officials recommend the vaccine for all and the governor made it a condition of employment, Stoddard refused, feeling like he was being bullied into doing something against his will.
I'm not really afraid of the vaccine, but I had to ask myself, what kind of man am I? And what kind of example do I want to set for my sons?
So he got fired. He says the Washington State Penitentiary will be a less safe place now, both for the offenders who are there and for the employees who survived. We should get a pretty good idea of just how many employees we're talking about getting fired in just the next couple of days. The State Patrol is expecting to have an announcement first thing tomorrow morning. Live in Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.